Hello and welcome to our instructional video on solving equations. In this video, we will be focusing on solving equations involving one variable. Today, we will be solving the equation 6 times x minus 4 equals 14. By the end of this video, you will understand the step-by-step process of isolating the variable x and finding its value. So let's get started. To solve the equation 6x minus 4 equals 14 for the variable x, we start by isolating the term that contains the variable. First, let's look at the equation. 6x minus 4 equals 14. Our goal is to get the variable term, which is 6x, by itself on one side of the equation. To do this, we need to get rid of the minus 4 that is on the same side as 6x. We achieve this by adding 4 to both sides of the equation. Here's why we do this. Adding 4 to the left side cancels out the minus 4, because minus 4 plus 4 equals 0. So when we add 4 to the left side, we must also add 4 to the right side to keep the equation balanced. Effectively, the equation becomes 6x minus 4 plus 4 equals 14 plus 4. Now simplifying both sides, we get 6x equals 18. In this step, the original equation, 6x minus 4 equals 14, has been transformed to 6x equals 18 by adding 4 to both sides. The reason is that we need to isolate the term with the variable to proceed with solving for x. This completes the first step. Now that we have the equation transformed to 6x equals 18, we need to isolate the variable x completely. In this step, our goal is to get x by itself. Currently, x is being multiplied by 6. To undo this multiplication and solve for x, we do the opposite operation, which is division. So we divide both sides of the equation by 6. Dividing by 6 on the left side cancels out the 6 because 6 divided by 6 equals 1, and 1 times x is simply x. On the right side, we also need to divide by 6 to keep the equation balanced. Thus, we have 6x divided by 6 equals 18 divided by 6. Simplifying both sides, we get x equals 3. Therefore, the solution to the equation is x equals 3. This completes the process of solving for the variable x. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.